Hello students, I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is kindness. The best portion of a good man's life is his little, nameless, unremembered acts of kindness and love by William Wordsworth. तो छोटी मोटी kindness जब आप करके चले जाते हो वो सबसे best part होता है आपकी personality का. The quality of being caring and helpful is called kindness. जब आप किसी की care करते हो, helpful होते हो, careless होके, बिना किसी मतलब के, selfless होके, that is what we call as kindness. जब आप बहुत दया की भावना रखते हो. Warm up, do you know these personalities? Write their names in the space provided, work in pairs and talk to your partner about these personalities. Pair में आपको अपनी क्लास में काम करना है, इन personalities के नाम लिखने हैं आपको और इनके बारे में discuss करना है. We should be kind. Being kind to someone is in need and who is disabled is a very good quality. It makes a person a good human being. Most of us do not think of being kind. We think, why should we bother? This is not what one should do and we should always practice kindness. तो जो kindness होती है वो आपको हर जगह दिखानी चाहिए. खुद का नुकसान मत कीजिए, लेकिन जब आप कर सकते हो किसी की मदद तो बिना सोचे समझे आपको कभी कभी मदद कर देनी चाहिए. ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि हमारा क्या फ़ायदा होगा या हमें क्या मतलब है इस चीज़ से. कभी कभी kindness ऐसे ही कर देनी चाहिए. Now let's know who Siddhartha was. Long time ago, there was a boy named Siddhartha. He had always been a very thoughtful boy. He was gentle in speech. He had a kind heart and was full of mercy. Often when hunting, he would stop his bow half drawn in his hands when he saw the harmless deer in the forest. Why should I hurt the poor creatures? He would say, and then used to put the arrow back into the case and go home without hunting anyone. Often in a race, he would stop because his horse was tired and breathed hard, and he would lose the race, rather giving pain to his horse. When Siddhartha became young, then he was named as Gautam, and when he got enlightened with the knowledge of God and hunter around then he was named as Gautam Buddha. So this is a story about Gautam Buddha. Initially he was just Siddhartha, a normal human being just like all of us. जब भी ये हंट करने के लिए जाते थे तो जैसे ही अपना एरो निकालते थे और सामने किसी डियर को देखते थे तो सोचते थे कि मैं इस जानवर को दर्द क्यों दूं अपनी ही कुछ आदतों की वजह से. वैसे ही अपना एरो वापस रख के घर चले जाते थे और हंटिंग नहीं करते थे. हॉर्स रेसिंग में भी कभी कभी बीच में इसलिए रुक जाते थे क्योंकि उनका जो हॉर्स था वो थक जाता था और बहुत ही बुरी तरीके से हैवी ब्रीदिंग पैंटिंग करने लग जाता था. तो इसकी वजह से ऐसे अच्छी अच्छी काइंडनेस वो दिखाते रहते थे. जैसे जैसे बड़े हुए उनका नाम गौतम बन गया, गौतम, और जैसे ही उनको निर्वाणा नॉलेज प्राप्त हुआ वैसे ही उनको गौतम बुद्ध बुलाया जाने लगा. No moral of the story is all of us must be kind to others. दूसरों की तरफ हमेशा हमें kindness रखनी चाहिए. Fun facts: we should be kind, be caring to animals and be helpful to everyone. Kind होना चाहिए, animals की तरफ हमको हमेशा considerate होना चाहिए और दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए. Brain drill: put a tick for true and a cross for false. Siddhartha was a kind boy. This is a true statement. Fun fact: when Siddhartha became young, then he was named as Gautam. Discuss with friends who was Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha was, initially his name was Siddhartha, and as he attained enlightenment and knowledge, he was famously known as Gautam Buddha. Look around, read the following sentences carefully and write kind or unkind in the given space. For example, throwing stones at dogs on the road, this is a very unkind behavior. तो यहाँ पर आपको लिखना है unkind. Kindly go through the pictures and discuss about them with your teacher. कुछ photos आपके सामने हैं. Ask your teacher, how can I help someone? और भी कुछ बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स हैं. अपनी टीचर के साथ आप इसको डिस्कस करिए and discuss amongst each other in your classroom. Now we have activity for fun. Own a stray dog and feed it regularly. You will start feeling good. The dog will come to you every day. The small act of kindness will fill your heart with happiness. अब एक stray dog, गली के जो dogs होते हैं उनको feed करना शुरू करिए. धीरे धीरे आप देखेंगे वो आपकी गली में आते ही आपके पास आना शुरू कर देगा और आपको अच्छा भी लगेगा. Now color fun. Write a slogan on kindness and then color it. एक स्लोगन लिखिए kindness पे, जो भी आपको appropriate लग रहा है सुंदर स्लोगन लिखिए और appropriately उसको पेंट भी कर दीजिए. So students, with this we have come to the end of this chapter. Go through this chapter thoroughly, revise it, be kind towards others, animals, human beings and everybody around you. And rest of the exercise questions, please read yourself.